Best Brake Rotors. We collect top 6 best brake rotors. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. In order to get the best out of your vehicle, you know that there's a little maintenance that's routinely needed to keep things in great working condition. You know all about changing the oil and filters, about getting spark plugs and keeping your tire pressure up. When it comes to brakes, you understand that the brake fluid level needs checking and the pads need replacing, and that's about it, right? Wrong. The brakes are a system that includes a part called a brake rotor. Brake rotors are extremely important to your braking system. Sometimes called brake discs, rotors are what the brake pads clamp onto in order to stop your tires and halt your vehicle. A lot of folks don't give their brake rotors a second thought, not understanding that they're just as important to the stopping power of their car or truck as the pads are. Let's have a look at the different performance rotors available, going over the pluses and minuses of each type so that you can get a better idea of what they are and which might suit your needs best. Drilled brake rotors, the good and the bad. One of the two main types of high-performance rotors are drilled brake rotors. These types of rotors have holes drilled into them, as the name might have implied. Though it might seem counterintuitive, drilling holes into a surface that's imperative to stopping your vehicle, the holes actually offer some really neat advantages. When a brake pad clamps down onto a rotor, it creates a great deal of friction. Friction causes heat. If there's nowhere for that heat to go, it leads to something called brake fade, which lowers the stopping power of the brakes. Another good reason. Click below the description for more details and like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.